Dear Excellency, UN Expert Mechanism on the Rights of Indigenous People and the Chair of the Permanent Forum, I am John Anari, the leader of West Papua Liberation Organization. I represented my people to come to United Nations to push United Nations responsible on their rights and their duty to process the UN resolution, UN General Assembly Resolution 448 that set up West Papua or West New Guinea as non-self-governing territory. So, pursuant to the Article 73 of the Article of the United Nations Charter, must grant it independent for all non-self-governing territory. But why United Nations forgot my people? I came here, I pushed this forum to push the United Nations Special Commission on Decolonization, or Commission 24, and the Commission 4 of the General Assembly to set up the UN Resolution 448 to the agenda of the UN General Assembly in this September. So I'm represented my people to push, because United States interest in our mineral resources. Finally, they push that to transfer the administration of West Papua into Indonesia in 1962 by the New York Agreement that they signed in this building in 15 August 1962. In the agreement, they arranged about the transfer of the administration of West Papua to Indonesia, and then the self-determination in 1969. After the transfer of the administration from that to Indonesia and to United Nations through the United Nations Temporary Executive Authority, but United Nations Temporary Executive broke our country, and they removed with the administration of UNTEA, and then after that transferred to Indonesia, and Indonesia removed all administration of West Papua. That we have independent. We have declared our independence in 1 December 1961. But why United Nations forgot? So I hope this forum must recommend it to the UN Special Commission on Decolonization, or Commission 24, and then the 4th Commission of the General Assembly that focus for politics and decolonization. So I just pushed this because United Nations involvement in the battle of decolonization of West Papua by the self-determination in 1969 that United States and then Indonesia prepared, and then United Nations let Indonesia make that self-determination that represented by the 600 Indonesian people. So.